Now let's move to the next part. The next part is making of the mold. So as any other project of resin, you have to make a similar kind of a thing for table making also. So now we have to prepare a mold in which your table will sit with the wood, and it will uh, uh, cure the epoxy which will be putting inside in later stage, and give it a shape. So that basically is like you have to put it in the mold. So for that you have to prepare a mold, like it is just like preparing a soap or any other thing. So it is, the basic concept is the same. So for that now is the time how you have to make your mold. So before even making the mold for your project, first fundamental thing, and even before the selection of wood, first fundamental thing is you have to prepare a plan in your mind what kind of project you are looking for. The planning of the project, you should have a concept. It will be very easy to plan the next stages if you have a concept in the mind. So before even everything, you should have an idea or concept how you like to make a project. So after that you will just go to search that kind of wood, so it will be very easy. So before everything, you have to first of all have a concept or a plan of what kind of a project that you are looking out for, some ideas. So after that it will be very easy to go into the other stages. So now let's talk about the mold. So once you have a concept in your mind, you select the wood, you prepare the wood. So now you have to just make the mold. So while making the mold, you will be already aware of the size of the mold, because you will be you will be getting the wood. So obviously you will be knowing the size in which your project should come. So for that, so to make the mold, you have to just first of all get a flat wood piece, like how you can see in the video. You have to get a flat wood piece, and then this is the base of your mold. This will become the base of your mold in which your project will be done. So after taking the flat wood piece, you have to tape it to because then the project could come out easily. Otherwise it will just be glued to the wood which is in the base. So that is the reason why you have to tape it, like how we are showing in the video. You have to just tape the surface, and then you have to simultaneously cut the sides, cut the walls, to make the cut some small pieces of the same wood to make the walls of the mold. So like once you cut the sides, also tape the sides, and then you are ready for your mold making. So after this is done, so you know where is your placement of the wood is going to come. So now what you have to do is use a silicone gun, and this is silicone gel which will build your mold. So like how you can see here in the video, you have to just stick it together, stick the walls together, just how you can see it. Just stick it all together, make it a container, make it in form of a container in which your project will be done. So this is it's a simple thing, but it's also a very technical thing also. But basically what you have to do is just prepare a vessel for your project.